Guys, what's up? And good afternoon, because it's afternoon here. So in this video, the simple thing I want to do is share with you the reasons why you need to document every single trade you take. Well, my name is Vico, and for some of you that don't know, this is what I do. I try to document my trade. I try to share the little ideas I have about Forex trading. And if you've been following me, like if you watched the previous video I posted, I actually just started this channel. So I posted about me getting admission, so I actually have resumed. So I resumed last week, Monday. Today is Wednesday. So I just even got back from lectures. You can see my book. I just got back. So it's been stressful, but I just thought to put out this video too. So I just want to let you know how documenting my trade has helped me. So if you are in the phase that I am in right now, trying to discover yourself, trying to find out what actually works in the Forex market, trying to refine your strategy, trying to, because most of the problem is the entry you get, trying to understand the technical analysis and trying to know what actually works. But the only way to do it is to try to document every single trade you take. So by doing this, you know when you trade out of your normal setup. Let's say you take a trade out of your normal setup, you know, because you are going to document it. So I'm going to share you my screen on my Excel. You understand? So this is my screen on my Excel. Okay, now you can see how it is from the date, the assets, the strategy, the order type, whether sell or buy, the risk to reward ratio, the lot size, the plus, the take profit, pips, the profit, the feeling, and then the comment after the trade. So once I take the trade, this is what I do. I come here, I put the date, put the asset I traded, the order type, the risk to reward ratio. I normally calculate that part of it before I even enter a trade and make sure I have a good risk to reward ratio, the lot size I used, then the stop loss pips, the take profit pips. Then after the trade, that's where I record this one, the final result of the trade, then my feelings after it, and then the comment after on how the whole trade went. Sometimes some trade might go like this one here. My feeling was neutral because the trade actually went to my almost close to the take profit, but started reversing back, so I just took partials. So now with all of these profit and losses, if I'm to calculate it, say I want to calculate everything, you can see everything is about a total profit of $606. Everything here that is in profit, the profit and the loss now will still be in profit of the $606 you've seen by the left. So that's how this thing is. If you keep doing it over a long period of time, you'll be able to understand how your trading is actually going. Everything has to be accordingly. Now you can never ever see my loss above 2% my account size. Most of the time it's 1.5%. You get. So you can do something like this to document the trade. It can help you stick to your strategy. It can help you understand what works, because when you take a trade that does not go well, you know how you took the trade. So what I do is, anytime I take a trade, I go to my Excel spreadsheet. You can even have it on your phone if you download the app on Play Store or Apple Store. So I go to my Excel, I take every record on the trade while the trade is still open. Immediately after opening the trade, that's what I do. I go to my Excel, I write the currency pair, the date, the lot size I use, the take profits, pips, the stop loss points. I write everything down, and at the end of the trade, I write the result, whether profit or loss. I write my feelings, then I write my comments on how I feel like the trade went. You get. So when you do this for a couple of trades, you do this for like 2 to 3 months, picking a couple of trades, you'll be able to easily understand what actually works. You understand, knowing that yes, you know how this trade went, you know, because you cannot remember it on your own. So that's why you need to document it. So documenting my trade has helped me to understand what actually works. It helped me to keep going, because what I understand in Forex is that Forex, it's not just about your short-term profit, but it's about the long-term profit. So if you look at a daily limit, like let's say some people have this target of making certain amount of profit on a daily, I don't think that can work. But with documenting your trade and at the end of every week, let's say you just do like a net calculation of all the trades you get. If you use the Excel spreadsheet, you can understand these things easily. You can easily calculate the profit you make at the end of the week, end of the month. It's better that way, you get. So that's what I do, and it has actually it has really helped me, guys.